Today I'm going to show you how to make a listening ears headband. For this craft you'll need a template. See below for details on how to get supplies for this week's craft. You'll need Scotch tape, scissors, and crayons and markers. To start out, color and decorate your headband and ears. Feel free to add stickers or glitter. Decorate as much or as little as you want. When you're satisfied with your decorating, it's time to cut out your template pieces. Use Scotch tape and attach the ends of your headband together. Ask an adult for help to be sure your headband will fit properly. If you don't have any Scotch tape, any sort of tape will do. Or you can use a stapler, but tape is recommended. Now that your headband is constructed, it's time to attach the ears. Fold the leaf of the ear inward. Use Scotch tape to attach to the side of your headband. Once both ears are attached, you're finished. Now you have a pair of listening ears.